ask you, so what do you feel that before joining to this particular course, prior to that, and today where you are standing, where do you feel that you can place yourself?
So I see a lot of changes in me and now, because before starting this session, I was not that much confident about the facing an interview, and also I was very depressed. I was thought that there is no scope for me to changing in my to growth in my career. So now I think I can do it. I can push myself, so I can overcome these all things, and I can growth in my career.
Great, great. So what are the things do you feel that you don't know previously before joining to these sessions, and now you have learned out of this particular session?
So the more important thing is the concentration towards something, and how to control your negative thoughts and convert it into a positive thought, and
Mhm.
then started utilizing those things.
Yeah,
And also do the smart work, not the hard work. How do you talk about that, how to implement those things very quickly. So this all things very helpful for me.
good. So part of this particular course, so I have given you the morning rituals as a free session for you.
Yeah, that's one also very helpful
So
for me.
how do you find the morning rituals is really helpful for you?
It started with I can started with my day with full of energy, and I learned how to mm, in start your day in a particular manner, or started in a good way.
Good. What message you want to give it to the society, plan to give it to the society? What do you say to the people, those who are like you, they want to do something in their life, but they stuck somehow in their career journey, or might be they are not getting the confidence, they pass out completed their engineering, they don't know what to do in their life, they stuck in the small job, and which is not feasible or might be the suitable for their qualification what they have earned so far. So, and what kind of the message you want to give it to them?
So I just want to tell them that you don't have to think more. You have to start it. If you started, I can do it. You can. You guys also can do it also, because it's at first you have many thoughts in your mind that how will we do, but when you started, you show that it was not that hard. You can do it. It's maybe take some times, but slowly you can do it. So, and it's very helpful for you, because a routine also needed in life. Everybody should maintain a good routine in their life. So at first I don't have that, now I wake up early, and it started day with the exercises, so it's helpful. And the own chat also very pretty much helpful. It started in I can start with the day very with a lovely smile, and also those things. So I was pretty much, and also with the book reading, it's also helpful very much for me. And there one lesson I learned: when you started said something to the universe, then universe also give it to you back. And some I now I see that many of opportunities and coming to me, because I started those things loudly, and then universe also give it to me back, that things. That one lesson is always in my mind.
Yeah, absolutely. So what you would say about your mentor Sudip Maiti, who has just giving the value to your life? Okay, he doesn't have any other kind of the thought process in his mind. He try to help to the people. He want to empower the 1 million youth to build their career personally as well as the professionally. They should be happy in their life. So what do you say about your mentor, Sudip Maiti?
Yes, sir was very good, and he was always helpful, and he always tried to understand me at first, and then you tell me, do these things in on your way and start implementing it. It's slow. It maybe take time, but you can do it. It always motivate me that you can do it, and always tell me to how to implement those things slowly. So see, he always with me and help me for throughout this journey in everything.